You guys, welcome to the episode 3. So this is the trade I took for this week. First of all, let me go take you to the weekly outlook I was looking at for this week. I was looking to actually sell the EURUSD, because you can see weekly market outlook March 3rd to March 7th. Now you can see, let me open it to show you. Let me widen it. So you can see I said I was actually looking, general trend is bearish on the weekly with a weekly CRT present. Therefore my weekly bias is bearish. It's actually bearish, you can see from the look of things here. So I went on my daily time frame. I was expecting that. I said the daily structure is bearish, which is in line with the weekly time frame, therefore making it bearish bias a high winning probability. We'll wait for price to either come into this daily unmitigated LVG or OB in order to look for selling opportunities on lower time frame using CRT model. You can see the image. Look at where I was looking to do what to sell from my weekly perspective. But now let me show you what happened after Monday on the Monday market. Let me show you what happened. So you can see I had to change my bias, because after seeing this, you can see change weekly bias to bullish direction. On Monday, you can see what the market did on Monday. Look at what I said, change my weekly bias to bullish, because Monday candle closed very strong bullish as seen in the candle, therefore having a bullish direction for this week. You can see this candle here. This candle closed very bullish, so into this other block. So I didn't see any bullish selling opportunity, so I was expecting that the market would also head higher, head to the opposite direction. Do you understand? You can see, and above here was resting a high, which is a liquidity. So I was bullish for this week upon seeing this Monday bullish close candle. So that is that for my weekly outlook that I saw. So going back to the trades I took this week with my buyers, which is bullish, let me go to my journal. So my first trade was on 4th of March, which was, you can see the outcome was winning. Let me just explain what I took on this trade, the reason why I took this trade. So this is I might not explain everything, but let me explain this one. It was taken on the March 4th and it was a buy. Like I told you, my buyers was bullish, so I was interested in bullish opportunity. You can see that the outcome was win, and I go for 1:3, which is 3R, which is now what the trend type was, a pro trend. Now coming on the daily time frame, what I saw upon seeing that same thing, Monday candle closed very bullish, therefore my bias is bullish. Then I went on my 4-hour time frame, which is what I said following the current market structure, I waited for my 9 a.m. candle to purge the low of the 5 a.m. candle at a specific time, 9 a.m. UTC -5, which is in New York time. Also, there is a presence of key level, which is FVG, and other block below the low of the 5 a.m. candle, which is an added confluence to this trade. Now if I enlarge this my image, you will see what I said. I said this is, look at, I marked out the high of the 5 a.m. candle and the low of the 5 a.m. candle, because this 5 a.m. candle has broken the structure, which is bullish direction. So I waited on the 9 a.m. candle to do to purge the low of the 5 a.m. candle, and you can see there's a key level resting below this candle, which is the FVG. Upon seeing the purge at that specific time, 9 a.m., this is how basically I trade my CRT model. So upon seeing that, what did I do? I went on my 1 hour time frame to use my advanced entry. You can see I went on my 1 hour time frame to actually wait for 1 hour candle to close back inside the 4-hour range. You can see this candle, it's to soup the H4 CRT, the H4 low, the H4 5 a.m. candle low, it to soup it and close back in, which has given me a bullish direction. That's giving me a bullish signal that we're about to head higher. Upon seeing that, what did I do? I went straight to my entry time frame, which is my 15 minutes or 5 minute time frame. You can see what I said. I said waited for my CSD, which is change of state of delivery, as my entry model. And what you can see that I waited for my change of state of delivery, and you can see what the market did. It tapped me into the my unmitigated order block, and did smash TP with 1:3. That was the trade I took for on March 4th, which is on Tuesday. You can see evidence of entry. You can see now I had to open an FTMO free trial to use to continue this, because of my previous funded next free trials ended. So I said let me use FTMO free trial. So this is why you can see that this is $151, which is on the 10k account. Do you understand? But my title students won't still change to be as a 6k account, because that is the Profem account balance I'm about to buy. Do you understand? So hope you understand that. So that was the trade I took on March 4th, which was a win. The next day, which is March 5th, I didn't get any trade. So on the March 6th, I got a trade a trade which turned out to be the 2 trades down that day. So let me explain. The first trade was actually a loss. Look at it. Let me explain why it was a loss. So I was going for shorting opportunity, reason because, which is a counter trend, but there's a reason why I went for a short opportunity. You can see it on my daily time frame here. I said following the market trend, which is bullish, EURUSD hit a daily key level, which is an FVG. Therefore, I expected price to sell off from that zone in order to fill the bullish imbalance for a balanced price movement. Now look at it. Look at it. What I meant. Look at this bullish run. There is a very huge candle, strong huge bullish candle. So upon seeing that when price touched this my fair value gap on a daily time frame, I expected that price will do will react and fill in all of this imbalance, even if it does not completely, but at least fill in the imbalance, which was I was interested. And that's how price move in a price how to fill imbalance in order for price to be balanced for movement to occur. So that was what I was expecting. So upon seeing that price has tapped into that key level, I went on my 4-hour time frame to look for my CRT model. You can see on my CRT model, look at what I saw. The 5 a.m. candle. I waited for the 9 a.m. candle to touch the high of the 5 a.m. candle, which happened here, and you can see that is what I did. And I went on my 1-hour time frame to do the same thing by waiting for 1-hour candle to close back inside of that 4-hour range, which you can see with this, which is my black candle here. It thought to sweep the high and close back in, which has given me a signal that I'm going to short the market. Now I went straight to my 15-minute time frame, which I waited for my change of state of delivery. But in this case, I utilized the 5-minute time frame in order to see a broad picture of the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Look at it, which is an added confluence to my trade. You can see this is the ranging. The market was ranging all along here and did manipulated. Upon seeing this manipulation that swept the high of the 4-hour time frame, I was just interested in looking for my change of state of delivery, which I got here. I placed the first limit here. On this order block, on this change of state of delivery, and you can see price stopped me out. So I was still interested in the selling opportunity. So this one was a stop out with 0.5%. You understand, 0.5% loss. So the second trade, which was the win, is the same analysis and everything, but the entry was on the second order block here. Look at it. The first order block failed, and I set another limit on the second order block. You can see the distribution of price. You can see the distribution of price. Whenever I see AMD, I get so confident that because the market actually move in this phase, ranging, manipulation, and distribution. All you need to do is to be in the right side of the market, and you see your trade go in the direction. So this was a win for me on that same day, which is on the March 6th, which was a win for me. So the first one was a loss, and the second one was a win. So a win. So if I go back to which is the next day, after the next day, which is on the March 7th, I got a trade again, which turned out to be a break-even trade. So if I dive into that trade, let me explain what I saw there. The same thing, I've been repeating the same thing all over again. I trade only CRT. So you can see it was also a selling opportunity, we turned out to be a break even. Now let me explain it. Still the market was still in that my daily fair value graph. So what do? I basically look for my CRT in that daily FVG. You can see in this case, this is the 1 a.m. candle. I marked the high and I marked the low, and I waited for the 5 a.m. candle to do to purge or to suit the high of the 1 a.m. 4-hour candle, which happened here. You can see that. So I went to my 1 hour time frame to wait for 1 hour candle to suit that high, that same high and network. Sorry about that, I just had a network issue. So you can see that the market did to suit the high of that 4-hour and close back in. With that, it has given me my trade signal. So what do? I went on my 15-minute time frame to basically wait for my change of state of delivery as an entry model. You can see price tapped me in, went straight to my direction. So upon seeing price reaching 1:2, I did Upon seeing price reach 1:2, I did I went break even, and you can see price stopped me out with this candle and still went to my direction. That is basically my rule. I go break even when price hit 1:2. So you can see the proof of entry, which is this. So that was the trade. These are the trades I took this week. It turned out to be 2 wins, 1 break even and 1 loss. So it was pretty a very good week, keeping me with the 2.45%. So that's a good week for me. So that is that for this week episode, guys. If you like this content, don't forget to do to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video, turn on post notification to get notified when I post new content like this on my channel. If you're interested in seeing all these trades before I take them, join my Telegram channel. It's not a signal group, but a group where I document my journey and also to send out trade ideas like this that you are seeing right now, so you can actually understand how I trade the market using CRT model. Without wasting much of your time, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.